Hello, good afternoon. I'm by name Inyashiri Njuma. Welcome to what Inyashiri Man. I don't know why most students are struggling with this kind of question. X squared minus x minus 12 is equal to 0. And this is simply a quadratic equation. And what's a quadratic equation? Any equation in the highest power of the unknown is simply equal to 2. It's simply called a quadratic equation. It's very simple to solve. You can solve this by different method, by using quadratic formula method, completed square method, and different formats to solve this kind of question. So in this formula, let's use factorization method. You have to take notes. That means the coefficient of x squared is simply equals to 1. You multiply this times this, you can call that product. It's very simple. That means your product is simply equals to 1 times negative 12, and that's negative 12. And your sum is simply what you have in the middle, and that's simply equals to minus 1. So after getting the sum, find the factors. You need the factors to solve this statement. This is the most important part. If your factors is wrong, factors are wrong, that's simply there's no any way you can be able to factorize this and solve this. You have to be very careful to make sure your factors is what correct. And for saying this, that means two numbers when you multiply is minus 12, and when you add is minus 1. And those two numbers becomes what? Minus 4 and plus 3. So minus 4 times plus 3 is minus 12, but when you add this, you have minus 1. So you bring these two factors and you use to substitute for this minus x here. That becomes what? X squared minus 4x plus 3x minus 12 is simply equals to 0. Don't forget, if the number here is 2, you multiply 3 times minus 2 to give minus 24. Because the number here is 1. That's why this number is minus 12. So you have minus 4x plus 3x. You now group them. You group this and you group this. So what's common here is simply equals to x. So you have simply your x into x minus 4 plus 3 into what? X minus 4 is simply equals to 0. So from this you have what? X plus 3. You have x plus 3 into what? X minus 4. X plus 3 into x minus 4 is simply equals to, when you factorize it, don't forget, you are factoring x minus 4 outside, and then you have x plus 3 left. It's simply equals to 0. When two numbers multiply, for example, when you have 3 times 0 is 0, 4 times 0 is 0, or 0 times 0 is equals to 0. When two numbers multiply to give you 0, that simply means either the two numbers are 0 or one of the numbers is simply equal to 0. So in that particular number, we're going to equate x plus 3 to be equal to 0 and x minus 4 to be equal to 0 to solve this. We have x plus 3 is equal to 0, and from here you have x, the other side is simply equal to minus 3, and x minus 4 to be equal to 0, and you have x is simply equal to what? 4. So that simply means your answer is x equals to minus 3 or 4. As this is going to be answer, and you tell me your answer in the comment section. Don't be angry, it's like the light is up. So you have your answer simply minus 3 or 4. So you can check your answer in the comment section. You can check if this answer is correct by substituting minus 3 inside this, and from there you get your you will be able to see that this place is going to be what? 0. So tell me the answer for this in the comment section. What is going to be x squared minus 7x plus minus 7x, okay? Let's take it as minus 7x plus 8. Can we take it as plus 8? Okay, plus 6. Let's take it as plus 6 is equal to 0. So that's x squared minus 7x plus 6 is simply equal to 0. So tell me the answer for this in the comment section. I'll see you next time. Bye for now. Bye.